Welcome to Mariposa Woolen Mill Needle Felting Kit Instruction. Felting is causing the fibers to intermingle and mat together, and there's a couple ways that you can do that. Wet felting is one way, which is hot water, a bit of soap, and a lot of friction. And the other way is needle felting, which I'm going to demonstrate to you shortly. The needles that you use for felting have ridges that encourage the fibers to grab onto the other fibers, and the more that you poke it, the more that it felts. It's always best to use a surface like a foam or a rice pad to protect the needle because it's fragile and it's also very sharp. Everything you need is included in the kit, so let's get started.
This year we decided to do a whole Golden Girls collection because everybody wants the Golden Girls. So we did an ornament kit. Is this the ornament kit?
Yeah, it can be whatever they want it to be. It can be ornaments, it can turn into a garland.
You can put it into a garland.
Into a card, decorations, whatever you want.
So the kit has the balls for the actual, it's basically just the sheep's face.
It's the base of the sheep.
It's the base of the sheep. And then you just add whichever color matches the that you decide to do. Yeah.
We'll
so the only one, the couple different ones, Billy's mom obviously has a little more black and white wool, and then Margie has a little more
Extra hips.
She's curvy. She's our curvy model. So so Cherie's gonna do Margie with her curves. And I'm going to do Ruby, R.I.P. Ruby, bless. And then you are going to do Billy's mom.
Ready, steady,
go. This is where.
So it comes with all the roving and 6 balls and a felting needle.
Mm-hmm.
There are some needle felting basics on the back of your instructions here. There obviously is a video as well.
I'm very much the video watcher kind of learner. Yeah. And you said to maybe do the head on the pucker?
I think
What
do
would
you
you
do
say?
all the...
Is that what you tornado. A little ruby tornado.
So to kind of keep it that way, you could just, after you've kind of tucked
Mhm.
the edges in, then just poke
Start.
only into that, and then
Okay.
it'll start felting it and firming it up on its
Okay.
own. Yeah.
I need the little picture.
I was like, what?
You need one? You need a
No, I'm just like looking
Oh,
at the
okay.
picture on the thing. It's like a puzzle.
Dude, I don't know if I'm gonna have to add a whole lot for this particular ball. It's pretty wide.
She's got some hips already.
Got hips already.
These hips don't lie. I'm very excited for the Golden Girls collection.
Yeah.
I think everybody's gonna be happy.
And then little sweet
They're
ruby.
fun.
Yeah.
It's just like forever you can remember them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, do I even know what a sheep looks like? Is what I'm questioning my life choices right now.
Did you ever think one day you
One
would
day.
be sitting with a sheep farmer
One-
making dryer balls that look like sheep's heads?
No.
Not
No.
what you signed up for in
It's
life.
not-
You just never know.
It's not where my life plan necessarily was
Can't
gonna-
say I thought I'd end up here either.
You never know where life's going to take
But
you.
you know what?
We like it. We're having a good time.
How would I ever met you guys if I didn't
Exactly.
have this? I never have met you.
Okay, I think that that's not bad for someone that maybe doesn't know what a sheep looks like.
Beautiful.
Like ears.
Yes.
That's
And the little
Tessa's
white
face.
dot. Yeah.
She doesn't approve.
Billy's hard.
She's just giving me.
Billy's mom's
I
hard.
don't know. I was trying to figure out the shape.
Finger poking is doing these little
Yes,
balls
I can see that.
last year.
I can see that.
Yeah, that is a little bit big.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna close it.
Yeah, this one's not too big. But when I get it smaller, then I really poke myself.
Okay. Well, you may not have enough wool to
I'll make
it.
little. Oh, I guess you're doing a lot more smaller ones. I think this is what happened last time. I did really big ones and I ran out of wool. Then I'm like, okay, we're gonna do smaller
just
ones.
Kidding. They should have been so much smaller.
So I'm just pulling off just
Maybe I will redo that one then.
a very thin.
okay. Mine are
Oh.
big. Mine are bigger than yours.
And it actually makes that big of a ball.
Well, because I only go around
She
the
knows
outside of it. I don't
outside.
felt down in the middle of it. I just go around the
Oh,
outside.
you just tack it.
Aha moment we all just had.
And once they're all in, then I
She's a
can
magician.
give them a little bit more felting.
Right, as a
so
whole.
that they firm up. Yeah.
Yeah,
So that I know that I have enough wool to cover everything.
right.
Oh,
There, that's better. It's just a little blob.
his ears are gonna need some. Her ears.
The thing about needle felting, you can just keep.
What's your malfunction?
Nothing is wrong over here. Everything's totally
fine.
It's a good thing I have all this roving for just Billy's mom.
Stacy's mom. That's how I actually got it.
Oh, that's funny.
Billy's mom has got it going on.
It's a
That's
song
how
we wouldn't know.
And I'm like,
Why wouldn't I know?
she's Billy's
I don't
mom.
think it's your kind of music.
Oh, it's an oldie.
Yeah. So just make sure you make the balls the right size, or you might run out.
You might run out of wool. Yeah, and the pink tag is extra for me, for Ruby, as a tribute.
It's not included in the kits, but
Yeah.
yeah, we just added it today because we have a little pink line
And
around.
she'll start to look nicer once I finish her.
So happy felting.
Happy felting!
Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video was helpful. So to replenish your felting supplies, just visit us at the farm market or on our website.